Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the easy steps to recreate this soft curled braid. I've started off with curly hair. This doesn't have to be perfect, and I'm just applying some texture powder at the roots. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now I'm going to gather the crown section of the hair, and I'm going to take this right to the back of the head, keeping it very low, about the end of the ear height, and we're going to twist it once and then just slip a bobby pin through that twist. Then using your fingers gently pinch and pull at the crown for some more texture and volume. Now we're going to divide off the front of the hair from the ears upward and just clip this out of the way for now, and do this on both sides of the head. Now I'm going to take a chunk of hair from the right hand side, quite a thick section, and I'm going to twist this towards the head, and then I'm going to bring it to the back just slightly to the left hand side, and then just pin it through the centre of that twist, and then I like to add a second pin running through the middle to keep it secure. And we're going to take the same size section on the left hand side and again twist it towards the head. Take it slightly to the right hand side and pin it directly under that first twist. Now we're going to take a chunk of hair from the left and right hand side of the head all the way down to the nape, and we're going to smooth this out and bring it to the back of the head over all the other hair. Hold it together and secure it with a clear elastic band. Then we're going to pop a couple of fingers behind the elastic band, and then we're going to gather up that ponytail, and we're just going to pass it to the fingers and pull it all the way through so you create a twist. Then using your fingers, I'm just gently pinching and pulling at the inner and outer edges of this twist to make it nice and voluminous. So the next section, we're going to take all of the hair, divide it in half and bring it around the front, tie it together with a clear elastic band, and then flip your ends through just above the elastic band to create another twist. And again, really pinch and pull that twist apart. Try and make it as full as possible. And it really is that easy. We're just going to work our way down the hair until we get to the bottom. So taking all the hair from behind, bringing it forward, and then tying it together. Pop your fingers through, grab the end and pull it through to create your twist. Try and keep the braid the same width all the way down to the bottom so you don't end up with a skinny braid. The messier the better for this one, I think. So I'm just doing my last section now, bringing them together, creating your twist, and then really pinching and pulling them apart. Now I don't like how the elastic band looks because it's not very pretty, so I'm taking a bit of hair from the left hand side, wrapping it around the front, and then just tucking it in the elastic band at the back, and then you can pinch and pull so it covers that little elastic. Now to add the curls, so we're going to leave a bit out to frame the face, and then we're going to take thin sections of hair. So I'm starting on the right hand side, and I'm going to take a topsy tail tool, again this is linked in my description, and I'm popping it through the centre at the top, and then just pull that little strand of hair through, and then use your tool and pull it all the way through. Now if your client's got long hair like mine, I like to secure it with a bobby pin, and then I move further down the braid and pull it through once more. And then basically I'm just going to work from right to left, taking small sections. Some I take through the side of the braid so they tumble down the outside, and others I take down through the centre. Don't forget to pin them in place for more security. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.